Hi, my name is Judy Jordal. I'm from Minneapolis, Minnesota, and I love LeafFilter gutter protection. I was referred to them by friends, so I think that's the best referral to go through. It started out with James back in October 5th of 2022, and he gave me a great quote. He was very professional, very kind, and explained what I needed to do for my gutters in my garage because I'm a little bit older and I'm concerned about falling. And he just reassured that would work because I've almost slipped and fallen many times. But installation came a lot sooner than expected. It was supposed to be 11/23, but they came and installed on 10/18. So it was less than 13 days that they came. So I was very impressed. So I appreciate the warranty, the lifetime. If I leave my house, someone else can get it as well. So I'm very grateful for LeafFilter for their professionalism and kindness, and the installer was very kind as well.